What's up guys, Junior back here with a brand new video. So in this episode I want to show you guys how you can draw support and resistance as a pro. This is drawing support and resistance as a pro. So without further ado, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and comment guys, comment, share this information guys. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is come to your daily time frame. Come to your daily time frame because you want to draw support and resistance as a pro. So what you want is to mark out yesterday's high and yesterday's low. So this big green candle is day's candle. So this green candle is the candle from the previous day. So what we do is choose the horizontal line. Then we mark its high like that, and then mark its low like this. This is drawing support and resistance as a pro. Then we name that green. Then we go back to the smaller time frame. Go back to the smaller time frame. We go back to the 1 hour time frame. So this will show us a level in between where the market has been trading, and even it will show us fake outs and everything. So as you can see guys, this is my cute my beautiful support and resistances. You see, if I the reason why I drew it on the daily high and the low of yesterday, because I want market to break yesterday's higher and go up, or break yesterday's low and go down. So as you can see, I've drawn the high, which is this red color, then the low of yesterday. So meaning market is trading in between this level. So and then when you draw these, you either identify a structure or just wait for the market to break out and retest your levels, and you take the trade. So let's see if we took this trade. This market is in a correction to go back to the downside. So meaning I'll put my take profit here. I'll just measure out a small trade here. This is going short on the trade, guys. I'm going short. Let's just right there. Something like this. To this level. I'll choose my take profit as this level because this level of strong market has been here, so it has come back here. I will increase it more. Drag it there. Around here. Yeah. Then I'm risking just a few pips. A few pips, guys. So let the market play out. You can see, guys. You can see market dropped big time. Big time. You can see guys, market dropped big time from upper side to the downer side. This is drawing support and resistance like a pro guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and share all this information. See you in my next video.